These telehandlers
were made using the power of these 128 panels.
Merlo is a company renowned for their inventive telescopic handlers, and more importantly, the fully electric e-worker.
And over here, just behind cameraman Will, is one of the many e-workers here at Merlo. And this has an insane 8-hour battery life and can lift 2.5 tons. Ooh. Right, safety first. Merlo first contacted us last year because they wanted to reduce their carbon footprint and this. Here we go. Roll it forward, joist it back.
So we designed them a whopping 92 panel solar array on their roof. This has cut their CO2 emissions by 7 tonnes per year. We split this project into 2 separate stages. The first being an 11 kilowatt inverter with a 36 panel PV array with 12 myenergi EV zappi chargers.
But then we moved on to the second stage, which to install a further 3 arrays on the roof space. Meaning we had to install a further 92 panels, making that up to 33 kilowatts and having a grand total of 128 panels on the roofs.
The building itself has a massive electrical load. It has to power everything, including heat pumps, electric car chargers, computer servers, hot water, including this fully equipped, incredible training centre.
The PV system we installed was only 11 kilowatts on a 3-phase system, so we didn't have to inform DNO until after it was completed, as we only installed 3.6 per phase.
However, at stage 2 of the project, we had to apply for DNO approval, because the total would be 14.5 kilowatts per phase. This took around 12 weeks to complete, and it was the most long-winded part of the process.
The installation itself only took us 3 days to complete. Once the scaffolding was up, we started work on the fixings which will hold the solar panels to the roof.
Look at these specialised brackets. These were needed to fit all these solar panels on this huge roof.
This PV array has 92 425 watt panels. Each panel has to be linked to the one next to it, making what's known as a string. Here we have 3 rows, 2 strings each, giving us a total of 6 strings.
The strings then come off the roof and then wired into the DC isolators, which is then wired into the inverters. With the 6 strings coming off the roof, we have split them in half with 3 strings on each inverter. The inverter's job is to convert the DC into AC, which the building itself uses.
As with many other commercial buildings, this building has a 3-phase power supply. Meaning you could potentially have a larger PV system for your needs depending on DNO approval.
Any excess solar PV will then be ready to charge your cars. Once the car's finished charging, any excess solar PV will then be sent back to the grid. On the plus side, the grid has more renewable energy to go to the network.
With Merlo's high energy demand, they really are taking advantage of the new PV system we've installed for them.
It can be quite a daunting task for companies to start out on their eco journey. Us at Ecobubl can help you on that journey and set an example, and why not save some bills?
We actually did a great video of a domestic solar system, so if you want to check that out, click right here, but Brad's not in that one.